Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use WeChat Pay without Chinese bank account. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So using WeChat Pay without a Chinese bank account can be a bit challenging since WeChat Pay is primarily designed for users in mainland China, and it requires a Chinese bank account to function fully. However, there are some limited scenarios where you might be able to use WeChat Pay without a Chinese bank account. So to do that, just follow these steps. First, receive money from friends. If you have friends or family in China who use WeChat Pay, they can send you money through the app, and you can use that balance to make payments within the WeChat ecosystem. However, you won't be able to tap up your WeChat Pay balance directly from outside China. Linking international credit cards. Some WeChat Pay accounts allow linking international credit cards issued by select banks. However, this option is usually available to users in specific regions or countries, and not all international cards are supported. And lastly, third-party services. Some third-party services and platforms may facilitate WeChat Pay transactions for international users. These services often charge fees, and you should be cautious about using them, as they might not be officially endorsed by Tencent, the company behind WeChat. It is important to note that the availability of these options may vary, and Tencent might update WeChat's features and policies over time. Additionally, while some workarounds might exist, using WeChat Pay without a Chinese bank account is not intended usage, and there might be limitations and risk involved. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!